I'm excited to bring you these fabrics. Here we go. This is some beautiful stuff. This first we're going to start with is a cotton poly. No, I'm sorry. It's 100% cotton. 100% cotton. Beautiful piece of fabric. Has stretch in both directions. It's kind of the weight of a ponturama, but a little bit lighter. Beautiful wine black variegation. I mean, it is pretty. 100% cotton. Stunning. The back side is black. I wouldn't say it's reversible because I can see the pattern of the back and the front, but it's very pretty. This is a reversible. This is a Balenciaga. This has stretch in both directions. It is like a ponte. It is the weight of a ponte, but it's beautiful. It's 100% viscose. The drape on this is incredible. If any of you are trying to think about should you get it, you should. It's so pretty. It's just beautiful. I'm just so proud to have these fabrics. This, again, Balenciaga. I'm sorry, Etro. Etro, E-T-R-O, is a designer, European designer. Again, beautiful fabric. This is reversible. You can see completely different pattern on one side than another. 100% viscose, double-faced. Isn't that beautiful? Now this has stretch in just one direction, but you could easily do pants. You could do a jacket. Our new jacket that's reversible would be beautiful. Just very, very pretty. This is a border print. Well, it's kind of a panel. Well, it's a continuous. It's not a panel. It's just like this all the way. It has dual amounts. It's 60 inches wide, 58 inches wide. Very pretty colors. Kind of a grapey purple. The floral. Very pretty. All kinds of fun things you could do with this. This is 100% viscose. Has stretch in both directions. Great stretch. This is also a reversible. It is the gray and the light gray, kind of a cream on the, or no, not a cream. It's not a cream. It's like a milk. It's a gray and a milk. And both sides are usable. I can't even tell which side is not the right side. It's a really beautiful double face. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. This is Hermes. This is Hermes. It's 100% cotton. It's a one-way stretch in one direction. Beautiful, 100% cotton. And I mean, just lovely. Lovely, lovely feel to it. Lovely. You know, a lot of cottons are really thin. This has some real body to it. But also a great knit. Stretch in one direction. I mean, it's got stretch that way, but it's really not much. So just stretch in one direction. 100% cotton. Hermes is the designer. Oh my goodness. It's easy to have happy sewing with these fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Pattern.